Hey guys, this is Anna from MacHollywood, and today we're going to be unboxing the new Wacom Pro Pen 3D. It works with the MobileStudio Pro, the Cintiqs Pro, and the Intuos Pro 2017 model. It has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is the same as the Pro Pen 2 and 4 times as much as the Pro Pen 1 and the Grip Pen. On the inside of the box, the pen comes in its own portable case that can lay flat on a table without rolling away. The top of the case also contains all 6 of your replacement nibs, and the back of the case contains the nib remover tool. The biggest difference between this pen and the previous models is that the 3D pen has 3 quick access buttons instead of 2, and no rear eraser, making it easier to use shortcuts. This would also be ideal for artists who want to use the erase function without having to flip the pen over every time. Instead, you could just program one of the 3 quick access buttons to erase. Though this pen was designed to be more geared towards 3D work like in ZBrush, it also works just as well for any of the art programs that you may use. Check out the difference between the new 3D pen and the previous Pro Pen 2 featured below. Stored in the top of the case are your 6 replacement nibs. There are 4 standard nibs and 2 felt nibs. To replace a nib, there's a removal tool in the inner back of the case, as opposed to in the previous models where there's a separate removal tool in the stand. To use the new nib removal tool, place the nib into the metal ring and pull down and out, making sure not to let the nib fall. Then, simply insert your new chosen nib, and you're ready to go. Inside the rest of the box, you have a few more items. The first is a quick start guide, which details how to change the nibs as well as some other basic concepts of the pen. The second is your warranty information with Wacom. And the last are 4 colored rings. These are used to distinguish multiple pens from one another. This is especially useful in a studio environment where you may have multiple artists using multiple pens. To change the color ring, simply unscrew the top part of the pen underneath the nib and switch it with whatever color you'd like. Overall, this is a great alternative pen for artists who want a more streamlined experience on their tablet. It currently runs $99.95, and you can get it from our MacHollywood store or on our website, MacHollywood.com, where you can also find more details about the pen. Thanks for watching the video. Feel free to comment, like, or subscribe, and check us out on Instagram.